Hi, I'm Allison Sobieski of PGS Auto Network. I'm here at Ford of Brantford, part of the Z Automotive Group, and I'm here with Jeff Z, who's the Director of Operations for the Z Automotive Group. Jeff, we're under construction here, and I know you have a process that is easy. Doesn't look too easy here right now.
Well, right now, under construction, it isn't that great, but when we're done, you're going to find one of the easiest places to do business, and that's our new mantra. We make it easy. We're going to have the most state-of-the-art service drive, so when you need a loaner car, drive right in, it's going to be easy. When you need an appointment, drive in, it's easy. And when you need to buy a car, we're going to make sure that that whole process takes less than 60 minutes from start to finish, which, as you know, is going to make it easy.
Sounds easy. How are you making the sales process 60 minutes?
Well, I'll tell you, when you first arrive, we greet with information. We'll give you an early trade appraisal, and we'll agree to buy the car for that price, whether you do business with us or not. Within 30 minutes after your test drive, you'll have a multi-payment worksheet with 16 retail payments under 4 down payment scenarios. So pick a payment, pick a product, and drive home. That makes it easy.
And then the service department also will be easy?
Absolutely. The service drive is going to be open with no appointment necessary here at Ford of Brantford. So if you suspect that you need a tune-up or a repair, drive right in and the guys will be happy to take care of you.
Great. Well, for more information on the easy process and the Z Guarantee, you could visit Z Automotive Group or one of their dealerships, Chevrolet of Milford, Kia of Milford, or Ford of Brantford.
And that's all part of the Z Guarantee.